So this is Three Monkey Cafe here at Hanuman World. Lots of activities are going on here. People are doing the zip lining. Some of them they are doing ADV, adventure vehicle and all, वगैरह वगैरह. But we just had our food, so I don't feel like doing all those. Had lots of adventure in last couple of days, so just here for sticky rice with mango. There goes. Just look at the place, the vibe देखो भाई क्या बढ़िया है. मैं तो यहीं पे रहूँगा. And you can just see the Phuket city from here. There is a place to sit here. And there you go. Look at the way they have, constructed this. पूरा पेड़ों के बीच में बनाया ये कैफ़े को. दे हैव यूज्ड द एंटायर लैंडस्केप जैसा है. उन लोगों को ज़्यादा वो कुछ डिस्टर्ब नहीं करके इसी के ऊपर बना दिया. दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट कंसेप्ट. और देयर इज़ अ डीजे आउट देयर. जस्ट लुक एट द डीजे. I think we are assigned to sit there. We'll go and sit there. वहाँ पे दिया हुआ सर. चलिए. Excuse me, could you please guide us, like where do we have to sit? Okay, okay. If I have to rate, अगर मुझे ये जगह को rate करना हो तो definitely I'll give like 20 out of 10 because it's so nice. Because the entire structure has been like, I'll just show you. I have integrated the entire structure with these big trees. It is just awesome. I think the name also fits so well with this cafe. It's called Three Monkey Cafe, and because being here on the top of this tree, I just feel that like that is how monkey feels whenever they are on the top of the tree. So it's absolutely amazing cafe. I just hope the food also comes out great. So like one sticky rice with mango and another one this one. I'm taking your video. Will it be okay?
Yeah. Hello.
It's okay. Okay, we'll just go for these two dish.
Okay.
All right.
You have the same one?
Pardon?
He also ordered one monkey banana balls.
Oh no. Just we are together.
Yeah.
So one monkey banana and one sticky rice with mango.
Oh, that would be all.
Yeah, that would be
So
all.
one monkey banana balls and one mango sticky
Yes,
rice.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And how about for the drinks, sir?
I think we're good with drinks. We'll just have this one. We just had our lunch and everything. We want to try out the dish here. Yeah. Okay. So that is all about it. I have just ordered one sticky rice with mango served with coconut milk, and another one is Three Monkey banana. So that's a separate dish. So let's hope it's good and it lives up to the hype of this entire place. So here comes our order here. This one is sticky rice with fresh mango served with coconut milk. And this one is known as a Three Monkey, as it is written there on a piece of chocolate. So the most talked about dish of Thailand here, I finally am getting to eat this. So as the name suggests, this is sticky rice with fresh mango served with coconut milk here. Now, sticky rice, it's very popular even in our state. I have seen the Khamti community, they prepare khaulam from this particular rice, and even in Changlang we do find sticky rice. So I don't have much idea whether in other district of our state they have it or not, but this is something I have already tried in our state, and now it's time that I should try it here. What is so much hype about mango and sticky rice? This combination I have never had, so let's give it a try here. All right. It's nice. It's a great combination actually. Sticky rice with mango is going very well. I love sticky rice. Mango used to be my favorite, but I have stopped eating it for last couple of years. But still, this is good. Very nice. It's a dessert. I cannot have it for normal food like breakfast, lunch, or dinner. But every now and then I can have it as a dessert. So for which it is good. Coconut milk. All right, this is like a bit sour. Maybe like I should mix it up. Maybe there is a way to eat it. I think I'm going to ask it. But overall, it tastes good, and I'm liking it here at Three Monkeys Cafe, Phuket, Thailand. And this one is like it is made out of banana. हम बनाते हैं ना अपने वहाँ पे भी like banana मालपुआ type से. ये वही है. इसमें banana है, and I don't know whether it's a maida or atta, but this is banana malpua. It's very heavy. It's very dense, soft but dense, but it's again like very good to eat, warm. They have added strawberry syrup with it, and they have also served some strawberries along with an ice cream. But I'm just having this one, and this also tastes excellent here at Three Monkey, Phuket, Thailand. This is very filling. I think like a couple of it is going to like it's good to go for the whole day because you're not going to get hungry after you eat this. So overall experience here at Three Monkey Restaurant Cafe here in Phuket. The most talked about dish, that is sticky rice with mango. It is a great sweet dish that you can have it after a good food. Then this one, Three Monkey Banana Special. I love it. It's fried malpua type, but taste wise it's good. I love it. Just look at here. यहाँ पे एक concert हो रहा है. What is called? And I forgot the name of this. Saxophone. I think saxophone. Yes. So it is here in this Three Monkey Restaurant. Just look at the structures they have constructed. ये जो design को ना, ये very sustainable design they have integrated with the natural setting. All the trees, जितना सारा पेड़ है, पेड़ को वहीं पे रखा गया है, पेड़ के आसपास ही चीज़ को कंस्ट्रक्ट किया गया है. So this is how it should be done actually. We need to learn how to integrate with nature so that we should not damage the nature. We should not what I mean to say is that we have to maintain the balance in the process of development. That's what I feel it is. So just look how beautiful it is. Absolutely gorgeous. I wonder whether this is glass or no, this is not glass actually. This is something else. So ये थोड़ा फ्री का कंसर्ट सभी के लिए. This is private section where you can come and book your cabin here. So absolutely beautiful. Khapun khap. So that's how you end your tour, by giving thanks to their warm-hearted hospitality.